Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Proprietor ITR. Filing your income tax return as a proprietor is a crucial annual task. It ensures legal compliance and provides documented proof of your business's financial health. We will cover everything from understanding your eligibility and gathering necessary documents to navigating the online filing process and avoiding common errors. This guide aims to make your tax filing experience smooth and straightforward. As a sole proprietor, you must file an income tax return if your total income surpasses the basic exemption limit, which varies by age. You'll typically use ITR 3 for regular business income or ITR 4 if you opt for the presumptive taxation scheme. Essential documents include your permanent account number, Aadhaar card, and bank account details. Also, gather your profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and any TDS certificates like Form 16A. The e-filing process begins by logging into the income tax e-filing portal with your permanent account number. Next, select the appropriate assessment year and your ITR form, either ITR 3 or ITR 4. Carefully fill in all your personal information, income details from various sources, eligible deductions, and taxes already paid. After validating the data for errors, generate the XML file and upload it to complete your submission. To ensure a smooth filing, avoid common mistakes. Always disclose all income sources, even small ones, to prevent discrepancies. Double-check all personal details, including your permanent account number and bank account information, for accuracy. Meticulously maintain records of all income, expenses, and investments throughout the year. Finally, remember to file your return before the specified deadline to avoid penalties and ensure you can carry forward any business losses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.